Xiao Wenzi is really annoying. Super annoying. A pig says I'm starving to death. They're spreading rumors that I'm divorced for the second time. At dawn, I leave Beatty amid colorful clouds. Eat a mosquito to taste something fresh. Bashan stores only 7 drops of water. Mosquitoes have no additives. Not even a touch of those vermilion lips. Words surpass. Buddha jumps over the wall. In this cold secretary. Where is the peaceful summer? It's just a pig carrying the load forward. He's the one going crazy for you. Stuffed. The mosquito finally shuts up. Haha, speaking of pigs. Reminds me of an old friend. It was after a sunny rain. He. Elegant. Exuding nobility. Seductive. Born with it. Maturity shows stability. One day of spring rain warms the heart. Charm fully displayed. They're thinking. How long without bathing? To become his stinky treasure. Beautiful souls are all the same. Interesting bellies are endlessly discussed. This kind of charming burly man is called a swimming pig. Their goal is if they can't be beautifully enchanting. These little cuties forced by life are called no, 8. Though life sells them out, they hope to sell in bulk. After long short discussions, they hastily made 3 careful decisions to make money. Take down. This guy is really handsome. The auspicious time has arrived. Ring the bell in Chi City. As the saying goes, sayings say well. Eat bitterness among bitterness. Serve people above people. As everyone doesn't know. Parasites in Juga's nest. Protein content is 8 times protein. Sacrifice on face. Exchanged for stomach scallop. This wave should not be a loss, right? This cross-species warm evil fate. Wish them happiness. Before my years of research, I hadn't discovered. When I discovered, I had already discovered. Don't know if you've discovered. Summer is really much hotter than winter. If you meet him in summer on snowy plateau, don't sweat profusely. From afar he looks tiger-backed and bare-waisted. Up close he's actually obedient. You should listen to advice. Don't look up close. In case it raises your standards, it would be more loss than gain. His scientific name is Zuju. Big name Hanta. Nickname Ground Squirrel. Online name. Weather and looks. Ability or moral character they achieved. Total annihilation. And with the spirit of learn but not die then perish. Die but not learn then. Achieve comprehensive in virtue, intelligence, physique, beauty, labor. No development. On the cold plateau, their greatest ability is everything exceeds their ability. Fortunately, they hibernate 21 years, sleep only 8 months. Except when sleeping not tired. The rest of the time tired. So their hard work finally welcome deserved retribution. A groom laying new house. Waited for competitor swinging hoe with sparks. Competitor very introverted. Can only steal others' brides. To barely maintain life, good rats no consensus. can only reach consensus. Yet good rats from dance battle. Turn to dance battle law. From challenge to tease. From back to water battle. Turn to verbal battle law. Groom thought he came to break us up. Didn't expect to sandwich us. Thought life like leaves. Either yellow or green. Didn't expect this time rotten. Little mantis just out of delivery room. Enters cafeteria. Good news, protagonist died. Bad news, protagonists many. Seal. Who says thanks to Marquis Seal for seal reward? This favor before I forget. Will definitely remember. Scorching summer. As scorching as summer. Time for hormones to break through. Rain stop. Animals mixing genes time. As old saying says well. 3 people walking must have 3 people. This casually growing little cutie. Flower sees won't open. Chef sees dazed. Beauty and appearance do not exist. Firewood chicken, English name called turkey. Their mating way in whole animal kingdom. Quite explosive existence. Boss on September 9th dates 3 brothers. Then leads to Leah chickens form turkey squad. Fully display own burger flag. Though this can't guarantee every hen falls for him, but can guarantee he falls for every hen. At that time, that group of hens one step from swinging. At this point, no accident. Accident happens. Another Goo Goo Chicken team. The galloping road cross 6 corners. Compare looks, both no discuss temperament. Both no point. Then only group fight. Yet boss turns to old 6. How he becomes multi-side shooter. Crazy output 3 seconds. To brothers say, we though no experience, but have participation. Sense. Good saying old owl. Capable more work. Wise more worry. Incapable carefree. This single 5 years widowed little lamp. Currently world. Whole family not a hera. And his bosses. Deeply devoted monogamous. 1 husband many wives. Weak water 3,000. Take only 3,000. Truly full man doesn't know hungry man chicken hungry. Hungry man doesn't know full man empty. Young bird cry mountain. Has tiger prefer cry mountain. Thus, a 2-way rush love begins. You stop. Don't fight anymore. Legs no hair. Handle affairs unreliable. No difficulty young bird can't overcome. Finally young bird failed. Victor amid silver bell mad Lafayette. Long life road. Step by step. He decides leave this rich no plan land. Go to plan rich land. Continue gene continuation. This he plays new trick. Bubble sound equals voice match. One song heartbreaking. Old leftover bird come meet. Thus, they run he chases swallow. Know you how I live I swallow. He didn't catch. Though this wave wasted energy. But exercise body should not loss. One or two. As long as good mindset. Everywhere Bali Island. Next everyone learn posture time. Single friends watch carefully learn seriously. Dogs meet kiss sweet. Birds meet cheat strict. This acting I give 8.4 points. Because really has 1.6. Like is momentary. Love you from heart to knee. This young bird finally lives. Only labor no holiday. Holiday only Children's Day feud in life. Little fish very beautiful. Hey. Horse non-stop corpse hooves. Ha ha he non-stop mouth. This delicately grown little sloppy. Called stonefish. From my observation, this one should be male. If you meet him on seabed, as someone who's been there, my advice is, you don't come over. After all, human to big he can't swallow in one bite. As famous handsome youth in 7 oceans. He has civilization has appearance. Has talent has appearance. Has quality has appearance. After all evolved millions years. Between deadly poison and huge he chose. Super ugly hum. Beautiful skins all same. Super ugly fish used to isolation. Daily buries self in sand. This way looks clear at a glance oh. Seabed just bigger. Compared to senior brother. Stone thus isolated. That senior brother simply isolated. He daily diligently thinks how to gain without work. Slip slip. Yet senior brother though good technique. But bad luck. Thought big meal. Didn't expect toothpick. Senior brother fierce operation like tiger. Neighbor watches drama. This big mouth thick neck neighbor immediately says. Life only one. Life threatening neighbors more than one. Seabed so big. Can be neighbors with these 2 old 6. God ancestors 8 generations cultivated. Bad luck so. He wants find place hide. But hiding place already has owner. They very martial virtue. To avoid injury. After long short discussion. Finally decide reach consensus. To fish open big mouths simultaneously. Intense suck dry seawater. Thus thirst kill opponent. But they underestimated seawater. Finally intruder successfully failed. But successful failure.
Sani Beja.
Yeah, we saw him.
Is also a kind of success, right? Weird animals thousands. Seabed occupies half. Lionfish very beautiful. That's it. Expert may be late. But never absent. Friends with TV and TV at home can see. This is another fish. He could rely on look scare prey to death. Yet evolved a fishing rod and self-bait. This is the gap between could and insist. As veteran angler, he knows when no prey bites. Should change fishing spot. Have to say, seeing here, my brain stem indeed missing a bit. Could swim. Insist on walking. This time could wins one. Evolve like this. He will walk to your table. Have to say, entertainment circle really chaotic. After reposition. He Ray achieves reposition. Finally smart friends discovered. If chance live in seabed. As long as big mouth no shame. Survival no problem